completely refigured, and we'd love to show you what we've done. It's in a mid-build, so I'll give you a kind of idea, but it was a small property and we've really transformed it. Let's go on through the keyhole. This was the original kitchen up to this point here. This was the original kitchen, and then we created this point here, which is the rear extension. Here now we're on the first floor. All these walls here have been took this all out and then reconfigured it. This here, over here, was the original bathroom. You can see now that we've converted that into a bedroom. This is a new staircase. So to create the loft conversion, get the elevation, literally took the whole roof off of this property. Coming up onto the loft conversion floor, you've got two big V-luxes here, pulls in a lot of light. You've got another window to the rear as well on the property. We've all got recessed spotlights. This is the ensuite shower room, which you can see here. Loft conversion, extension, total reconfiguration of the property. Was originally a 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom. We've created this into a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, adding massive value to the home, and this is what we do all day long.